Assalamualaikum class.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, Mr. Takulama, can you please read us? Thank you. Okay, good morning and Assalamualaikum class.
Waalaikumsalam and good morning, ma'am.
Okay, before you sit, can you please pick up the sound first inside your shell? Okay, you can sit class. Okay. Mr. Secretary, can you please check the attendance of your classmates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was our previous topic last week? Yes, Miss Abdul. Okay, thank you. So now, I will show you a picture and observe what have you observed in this picture. Okay. Yes, Mr. Takulama.
Sa camera.
Okay. Yes, Miss Mamaklay. Ano yung use ng camera? Okay, thank you. So now, let us proceed to our topic. So before we start, please read the learning objectives.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to A. Operate a video camera recorder using proper settings and stabilization tools. B. Apply essential video shooting techniques to enhance video and audio quality. C. Set up and manage audiovisual equipment, ensuring proper use and maintenance.
Okay, thank you, class. Now, our topic is operate a video camera. Miss Aloy, can you please read the video?
First, power on the camera set. Appropriate recording mode. Next, adjust focus, zoom, white balance, and exposure for clear footage. Next, use a tripod or stabilizer to keep shots steady. Next, monitor audio channels. Use external microphone modules if available. Next, stop and review footage as needed.
Okay, thank you, Miss Aloy. So, power on the camera. Meaning to say, turn on the camera and choose the best settings for what you want to record. So, for example, the video shoot mo. So, piliin mo yung night mode. Dito naman sa adjust focus, while nag-take ka ng pictures or video, dapat naka-focus lang siya. Hindi siya naka-zoom, and dapat yung color niya is natural white balance lang siya para malino yung kuha. Dito naman, use a tripod or stabilizer. So, dapat while nag-take tayo ng interview or videos, gamitin natin yung tripod or stabilizer para hindi magalaw yung camera. Next is monitor audio levels. So, dapat always natin i-monitor or i-check yung sound if malinaw pa ito or clear. Next is stop and review footage. No? So, for example, di ba, nag-take tayo ng scene. No? So, dapat i-check muna natin to or pakinggan muna natin kung may need ba tayong ayusin dito or ulitin before natin sabihin tapos na yung isang scene. Okay, did you get class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us proceed to tips and tricks and video shooting. Yes, Miss Hamed?
So first, plan your shots and see in advance or storyboard Fourthly, minimize the background noise. Experiment with different angles and perspective for more dynamic video.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hamed. So, plan your shoots. Okay, meaning to say, halimbawa, pag gagawa tayo ng scene, so, dapat, is naka-advance na tayo, kunwari, gagawa tayo ng scene, no? So, dapat, naka-write or nakasulat na natin yung mga scene or yung mga, or yung background dito. So, next is use natural light. So, dapat, natural light lang yung gamitin natin while nag-detect tayo ng video or pictures. Follow the rule of thirds for balanced composition. So, meaning to say, dapat alam natin kung, and also nakabalance yung pag-detect natin ng pictures and guide. Keep camera movements smooth, avoid jerking motions. Check audio quality regularly, minimize background noise. So dapat, di ba, for example, nag-detect tayo ng scene pa rin. So dapat, kung nasa loob tayo nag-detect ng scene, kung open yung window or yung pintuan, i-close natin ito para hindi maingay sa labas. While nag-detect tayo ng scene dito sa loob. Experiment with different angles and perspective for more dynamic videos. So, para maging mas static yung paggagawa natin ng video, dapat hindi lang tayo nakapokus sa isang angle lang. Dapat kumukuha rin tayo sa iba't ibang part ng angle para mas maging maganda yung kakalabasan ng ating video. Did you get class? Yes. Okay. Now let us proceed the LCD or DLP projectors. Who wants to read? Yes, Ms. Saligidan.
Set up on forecast levels for the operating ground. Ensure proper alignment with the screen. Second is connect input device via HDMI, VGA, or other compatible cables. Adjust focus, screen tone, correction, and image settings for clear display. Second and third report. Keep the projector filters clean and replace bulbs as recommended. Avoid direct sunlight on the projector surface to ensure clear image.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Saligidan. So, first is set up on a cable. So, dapat mag-set tayo ng cable is dapat nakatayo po siya ng straight and para hindi siya matumba. Connect input device via HDMI. So, i-connect natin yung mga media player natin sa tamang cable like HDMI and VGA. Adjust focus based on direction. So kung hindi medyo malinaw yung pagtuwa mo ng video, pwede mo siyang i-adjust. I-adjust yung focus or phase load. Keep the projector air filters. So dapat, linisin natin yung air filters ng ating projectors and also dapat, palitan natin yung mga bulbs kung may dapat tayong palitan dito. So next, avoid direct sunlight on the projectors. So, dapat pag magamit tayo ng projectors is dapat hindi siya direct into sunlight kasi maaaring makasilaw ito. Did you get class? Yes. Okay. Next is the common. Yes, Miss Sampay. regular. Kasi maaari itong masira just in case na matalsikan mo ng tubig. Practice regular to improve your self-skills and confidence. Meaning to say, para mas ma-improve natin yung skills natin and confidence sa pag-take ng videos, or pag-take ng pictures using the device is dapat mag-practice tayo with mga shorts, video lang yung gagawin natin. Okay, did you understand